all sickos. Surely you need to do something about that.
Really, so? I thought they were going to leave it. Well, what can they do?
No, I mean, architecture. They can't have been doing that forever.
I'm guessing they're the 20 quid seats.